I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Coffee Center. It has so many conveniences. The thing I like about it is it combines a full-size coffee maker here with a single-serve unit here. So sometimes on the weekend, my husband and I like to hang around the house and read the paper. We make a full pot of coffee and we kind of just lazily enjoy it. But during the week, when we're in a big hurry to get to work, we like to make our coffee and get right on the road. So that's why I love having a single-serve unit here, because you can make 1 or 2 cups, there's no cleanup, and you're on your way and out of the house. So let's talk about the 12-cup coffee maker on this side. It has a lot of great features. This is your control knob. This is the one that you're going to use to program your coffee maker. So you can program it to go off at a certain time. So it's usually between 0 minutes and an hour. And that's really great because if you're in a hurry like I am most of the time, you don't have to worry about forgetting to turn your coffee maker off when you're leaving the house. This is your auto on function. It'll light up when it's programmed to go auto on. That's if you want to make a full pot of any amount of coffee. It will go on during any 24-hour period, so it automatically brews your coffee. So if you know that you get up every day at a certain time and you want your coffee at 8 o'clock, you can program it to do that for you. And then you can program it to go off afterwards. So this is your auto off function. That's how you're going to program it. And you also, most importantly, that's your brew function. And then lastly, on the very bottom, that's your clock function. That's how you're going to set your clock by holding down. See how it's blinking? You're going to hold this down until it starts blinking, and then you can change the time. I'm going to set it on 8, so it's 9 o'clock. You can also change the minutes doing the same thing. Hold it down, and if you hold it down, you can see it quickly advances. Put it on 35. It'll flash a few times. Once it stops, the program has taken place. So the other thing is there's a bold button here, so when it's lit, it'll brew your coffee so it's a little bit bolder. And then on this side, this is your carafe temperature. What this is for is if, for instance, I like to put a lot of milk in my coffee, so you want the coffee to be a little bit hotter when you start out, so it doesn't get too cool after you add the milk. You would set this on high. So you have low, medium, and high. I prefer using high. My husband, on the other hand, takes his coffee completely black. He may want to use the low setting because it won't be overly hot when he wants to drink it. He can start drinking right away. So this is your carafe. It has a nice pour spout. It also has a brew pause function so that if you are impatient and you can't wait till the whole pot's done brewing, you can sneak a cup in between and put it back in. It'll continue